how to turn on comments on YouTube on phone in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open your phone browser and log into your YouTube channel and go to your YouTube studio panel, and then just select a video you have uploaded. So after that, you have to scroll down and see that this option, like the yes it's made for kids, it's disabled, and no it's not made for kids is always enabled. And after that, you have to click on show more and scroll down on the video and look for a option like comments. As you can see, comments and ratings on this here, you just have to simply turn it on if it's paused or off. So make sure to turn it on, and then you can just go back to your YouTube studio interface or dashboard. Then your comment is now turned on, and that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.